I have quite a few people who do ask me about organic fertilizers, but I can't recommend something that I've not used, and therefore I wanted to do this trial on the Lawnbox products. I went to their website and I saw how clean the ingredients look. This company is OMRI certified in their products. I know that matters a lot to people who are looking for organic products. So let's pause for a quick second. What does OMRI mean? Well, it stands for the Organic Materials Review Institute, which is a nonprofit third party that reviews and verifies products for organic use. Now, the Lawnbox products are all OMRI certified, which means their products have passed the review process and are compliant with organic standards. Okay, let's get back to the video. They have 3 different fertilizers here. Well, one is a soil amendment. So the 2 fertilizers is a 1006. This one, yep, had to make sure. And this one is a 707. Has no phosphorus in it. And then they have this cool product, which is a soil amendment. All of these have humic in it if that's something that you're interested in. So let's get to the trial. No more talking. I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to do a series and show you how this progresses as I use it. I'm going to be using it on my parkway, which is 300 square feet, and hasn't been treated with anything else, so we can truly see how this product performs. All right, stick with me. Check out the series as we go along, and I hope it's helpful to you. All right, here we go. I'm going to use the Turf Therapy app to calculate how many pounds of this product I need in order to get down 3/4 pounds of nitrogen in this 300 square foot parkway. This is a really nice spreader, but the one issue I had with it is that it doesn't have a guard on it to keep the fertilizer from going onto the sidewalk. Since so much of the fertilizer went onto the sidewalk, I made sure to blow that fertilizer back into the parkway from both the sidewalk and the street. All right, so there you have it. So for this trial, I am using the 1006 Grass Genie. And I'm also going to, probably in a week or maybe tomorrow, throw down this soil saver. Now, this soil saver looks like it has really good stuff in it. It has calcium sulfate, has calcium, sulfur, and it says it's derived from calcium sulfate and gypsum. So this sounds like some good stuff, and I think I'm going to throw this down tomorrow. So hopefully you come back in 2 weeks to check the status of the parkway and see how we're doing. Until then, guys, I will catch you later.